So write 0.8 recurring as a fraction. So we notice the dot above the 8 there. So that shows that this is recurring. This keeps going forever. Okay, so 0.88888. Now what we do is we'll call this x. Okay, so essentially we'll say x is equal to 0.8 recurring. So I'm going to literally write out those 8s. Okay, we're going to write out a few just to sort of demonstrate that value. Okay, now when it comes to having to write this as a fraction, what we always need to do is we need to look at the length of the repeated values, or value in this case. So it's just of length 1, isn't it? Because it's just the 8 that's repeating, 8, 8, 8. So as soon as we've written 8, we start with 8 again, and so forth. Okay, so it's only of length 1. So what we do then is we multiply this by 10. If it's of length 1, we'll multiply x by 10. Of course, that will give us 10x. Now, if we're multiplying this by 10, all the digits move up one place to the left, yeah, when you make it 10 times bigger. So that 8 will move into the units column, and then all the other 8s then will follow suit. So that 8 will move into the tenths, and so forth. So we're going to have this. And what you'll notice is then, is that we've got this nicely lined up, and we can do some column subtraction, okay? So if I do some column subtraction here, obviously on the left-hand side, that's going to give me 9x, yeah? But if I do some column subtraction here, we can just start at the right-hand side, don't we? So 8 take away 8, 8 take away 8, 8 take away 8. Notice they'll just all cancel. All of these will be 0. 8 take away 8 is 0. 8 take away 8 is 0. So all of this will be 0 when I take away. And then we're left then with the unit here, 8 take away 0. So 8 take away 0 is 8. So I end up having 9x equals 8. So that's like an equation now which I can solve. So if I share by 9, so we just have x on its own on this side, then we have x equals to 8/9. So remember to start what x was. X is actually this here, yeah? I said x was equal to 0.8 recurring, and now we found out what x is as a fraction. So quite simply we can say 0.8 recurring is equal to 8/9.